Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the diagonal resistance EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a free mean reversion system that fades sharp moves on gold using a restricted equal lot grid. So let's examine the logic carefully. All right. This is actually a free EA. And if we expand this, you can see that from the MK5 page, the diagonal resistance EA is positioned as a plug and play system developed by Hussein Furkan Ozturk. The core logic is summarized in three steps. First, it catches a sharp move and enters against it. If price has moved 1% or more within the last 40 or 80 minutes, the EA opens a trade in the opposite direction. Sell on a rapid rise, buy on a rapid fall, on the assumption that short-term overstretched moves tend to partially retrace. Second, if the move continues, it adds positions gradually using an equal lot grid with no martingale. Each addition brings the basket's average cost closer to the current price, so that only a modest pullback is needed to recover the whole basket. Third, it exists in profits on a small pullback, or exists flat if the pullback never arrives. If the expected retracement does not occur within 60 minutes, the target is moved to breakeven and the basket is closed at zero once price touches it. Protective filters block new trades during news days or strong one-way momentum. Alright, so the key features include the dynamic diagonal resistance level construction based on the angle and speed of the move, equal lot grid with strict entry limits, time-based break-even exits after 60 minutes, auto lot option that scales with equity, magic number blocking so it can coexist with other EAs, and a deliberately simplified interface that hides most of the 60 internal strategy inputs. Default inputs are prepared for XAUSD with a suggested minimum deposit around $1,000 or $500 plus. For profile use, the developer recommends turning auto loads off and testing with larger balances. Okay, so we have some screenshots here by the developer, basically showing how the EA works, the strategy. We have a kind of um, strategy reports, strategy test reports. So you can see for an initial deposits of $2,000, the total net profits was almost $100,000, 99,982. Um, this was tested for the last 1 year, from the 28th of July 2025 to the 28th of July 2026. All right. The profit factor was 2.58 and the balance drawdown was 0.16%. All right. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, I was opportune to carry out my own backtest. So let's see how that actually holds up, if it holds true. Okay, so I use the same recommended XAUSD on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Right, so for the initial deposit of $10,000, let's take a look at the results. As you can see, the graph showed pretty steady growth for most of the period. I mean, if you take a look, you can see it kept on gliding upwards up until this point where it had this very deep drawdown. You can see how it moved sharply to the downside. Um, could have been caused by multiple factors, but that is also reflected in the results. As you can see, the for the initial deposits of $10,000, The total net profit was $8,501. But then the thing to actually look out for is the gross profit and gross loss. As you can see, based on what we saw on our graph, you can see that reflected in our gross profit and gross loss. As you can see, the gross profits, even though the total net profit was just 8,501, the gross profit was actually 2,600, sorry, $267,728. But the gross loss um, ate away at most of those gains, as you could see reflected on the chart, where we had a gross loss of $259,226. That left the profit factor at 1.03, and the balance drawdown, which is actually quite alarming, at 89.51%. So you can see that happening here at this part of the equity curve, as also reflected in the results. Okay, so the equal lots restriction and the hard 60-minute time to break even rule are the main risk control features. They prevent the classic open-ended martingale spiral and guarantee that every cycle eventually closes, either in small profits or at flats. At the same time, any grid, even equal lot and time limited, still accumulates exposure while price continues against the initial entry. On gold, sharp moves can extend further and faster than the statistical assumption of a quick partial retracement, producing temporary floating drawdowns before the time exits or the pullback arrives. Right, so let's go back to the site. Honestly, the features that matter most are the auto lot settings versus fix, the maximum number of grid steps allowed, continuous monitoring of open basket exposure, and realistic capital buffers relative to the size of the moves being faded. Being free removes the financial barrier to testing, but does not remove the market risk. As for the nuances and hidden risks, equal lot grids still concentrate risks during extended adverse moves. The 60-minute timer can force flat exits that forego potential later recovery or lock in the current floating result. Gold volatility can produce rapid multi-step grids. In practice, start with conservative lot sizing or auto lots on a demo, confirm the filters are active, use a reliable VPS, and treat the system as a controlled mean reversion tool rather than a set and forget high return strategy, as past results never guarantee future performance. So overall, the diagonal resistance EA is a free mean reversion system that faces sharp gold moves with an equal lot grid and a 60-minute time to break even exit. The restricted grid design is more controlled than classic recovery systems, yet still carries the path-dependent risks of multi-position exposure. Independent testing and conservative risks are essential. Always trade the money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.